Prerequisites for Part 2 of this series include ensuring your velocity system is connected to the 3VR system. See Part 1 of the series if you haven't done this part yet. And optionally, have volunteers available to test and validate that the trigger action groups that you've created are working correctly.
Now that we have successfully connected our velocity system with our active 3VR system, let's take the time to walk through how to create a trigger action event that will bring up cameras to begin recording based on an event or alarm in velocity. First, open the Velocity client and select the Video Integration Video Explorer option. We need to create a camera view group to display the desired camera feeds upon the trigger event. Next, we want to create a view group by selecting the new view group option and entering a name for the view group. This will be used later to trigger an action command. Select the 3VR appliance and click the arrow to expand the available cameras connected to the appliance. Drag and drop the desired camera into the frame. This can be done with multiple cameras with the 2x2 or 3x3 grid frame selected. Only one camera feed can be applied to a frame. If a PTZ camera is available, the camera controls in the lower left can be used to adjust settings. Click the Save View group and close the Video Explorer window. Open the administration window, expand the Interfaces Configuration folder, and select the Video Integration folder. Select and double-click Trigger Action Manager. Building a trigger action is incredibly simple. First, we will select the location and the event we want to generate the action trigger. To demonstrate, we will select the server room door from our commercial MX8 by highlighting the checkbox. With the location selected, let's pick an event to prompt our camera view group to pop up and begin recording video. In this example, we will go with a forced entry alarm. With our trigger sequence selected, we need to assign a camera to begin recording when the trigger event occurs. Select the view group to pop up and display live video when the trigger event occurs. Apply a record time duration for the selected camera. More than one camera can be selected to record if desired. Click to add the Add Trigger Action Sequence and click Accept to save and close. Let's take a look at what our trigger action looks like. You will see in our event viewer that when the forced entry alarm event occurs, our view group pops up and begins recording. And that's how easy it is to create a trigger action, pop-up, and capture video with the Velocity 3VR integration. With our trigger action command created, let's see what this looks like in real time. It looks like someone just came into the office from the warehouse. Let's hope we don't see any alarms. Uh-oh, it looks like someone decided to prop open this door. Looks like we're going to need to let the warehouse manager know that this door needs to be shut. In our next example, we have created a trigger action command for our front entry to display video when we have a forced entry alarm. Looks like we have someone trying to get into our office by forcing our front door open. We'll need to respond with security.